Ayu, because this Kuya Ayu will teach you how to do like Jollibee 4 favorite animals. So ang title ng first game natin is Jollibee went to the zoo na kung saan si Beth na Jollibee na meron siyang 4 favorite animals. Ang una doon is kangaroo, pangalawa is fish, pangatlo is bird, pang-apat is duck or bibis. So mamaya, habang naglalakad sa loob ng zoo ay gagayahin nila kung paano mag-move ang mga favorite pet ni Jollibee na itutulog sa inyo ni Kuya Ayo at ni Kuya Kel. Kapag sinabi kong jump like a kangaroo, tayo lang ito po ay mag-jump na parang kangaroo na parang nito. So, 1, 2, 3, and jump, jump, jump. The kangaroo, jump, jump, jump like a kangaroo. Next naman, swim like a fish, like a fish. 1, 2, 3, swim, swim, swim like a fish, swim, swim, swim like a fish. Yung bird naman, spread your arms, and then you're ready to fly like a bird, just like that. And fly, fly, fly like a bird, so fly, fly. Fly like a bird. Yung jump naman, you bend the knees, sway your hips to the left, sway your hips to the right. Walk, walk, walk like a duck. Walk, walk, walk like a duck. Perfect. Ang ganito na talaga ngayon. And then mamaya ang magic word na sasabihin ko ay sit down. Pag sinabi kong sit down, yun po ang sit down para maghanap ng upuan ng mga bata. Kuya Ayo will set up 6 chairs sa harapan. At habang ginagaya nyo ang mga favorite na measure ko para mag-move, you have to walk around the chair in clockwise direction. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ani. So, we need to say 6 players ang papasok sa next round. And to start the game, kapag natin mga charities na isama-samang tatayo, let's all stand. Then hawak-hawak naman and form a big circle around the colorful chairs, the colorful chairs, form a big circle. Everybody, hawak-hawak naman, form a big circle mga bata, and let's start our first round. Okay, alam na mga nang gagawin na, pag sinabi kong sit down, hanap agad ng upuan. At kung sino man daw ang batang wala, mahanap ng upuan ay sasabihan ko ng good boy. And better luck, next game again. So let's start the first round. Before we start the first round, spread out ko yung mga challenges natin para makabugay ng maayos. Spread out, spread out, spread out. Ikot kayo ha, kailangan umikot kayo dito in clockwise direction papunta dito. Ayos po ba yun? Sa mga bata may tanong ako, dapat isasagot yung pinakamalakas na yes. Ayos ba? Okay, mga bata, are you ready? Yes, we are ready right now. At nabibig ko na ang mga challenges natin ay excited na mag-move na parang mga favorite pets na challenges. So here we go. Alright. For the first round,
Siya lang? Siya lang?
yung kamay, position like a kangaroo. Like kangaroo.
Buka kaya?
Okay, kangaroo dito kayo dito ha. Papunta dito. Pag sinabi yung sila,
Iikot yan.
para maganda upuan. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and jump, jump, jump like a kangaroo, jump, jump, jump like a kangaroo, fly, fly, fly like a bird, fly, fly, fly like a bird, swim, 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 swim down. Yeah, sa mga bata, wala na hanap na upuan. Thank you for joining and being here. Thank you very much. Chito, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, Elsa. Si Elsa po ang